Guys, this is a beautiful day, a good day that the Lord has made. It's Women's Day, and in Ukraine, they have this culture. In Women's Day here, they have this culture where, like, the women are not supposed to do anything apart from receive roses and chocolate and do nothing but sit down and relax and do all that stuff. And that is exactly what I'm gonna do today. Good morning. So, as y'all can see over here, the one and only Mr. James, hi baby, good morning, is doing the dishes. Oh god, I hate, by the way, I hate washing dishes with all my life, but he is doing the dishes, then is gonna make me breakfast while I go take a good amount of time in the bathroom. Honey, are you okay?
Sure. Take your time.
Let me tell you guys, I'm already loving this. Babe, come, hurry.
Yes,
I'm feeling too lazy. Could you please put paste in my toothbrush?
sure. Happy Women's Day. Which one is your toothbrush? Nothing feels better than this. Here you go. Make them clean.
It's not layered the right way.
Just take.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Currently doing my makeup really quick, but I can already feel the smell. Can you feel the smell? I can already smell some pancakes. Let's go check them out. Today it will be party after party. Ooh. Let's do a taste test. Are they really as nice as they look? Because they look really nice.
But she wasn't just asking for delivery service.
Babe, this flour is better than the other one, right?
I'm still using the other one.
For some reason, this tastes better. Way better. So currently I've just finished doing my makeup. This is what I'm going with for the day. I have so many things that I need to do, but James has finished making breakfast, but now he's resting. He's watching TV. Of course, he's tired. And you know that feeling of when you eat, you feel lazy. I think this is the best time to do something. James, from all the all the pancakes that you've made, I feel like the house smells really bad, yeah?
Yeah.
Could you please open the window? No, like open this curtain, like take it to the other side. Thank you. I need to leave. I'm sorry that I'm not spending so much time with you today because I have so much planned. Bye, but I love you. So here's the plan. Of late, I have been this wonderful church girl. I really love church in all honesty. And today they have this meeting with the females. Like, you know, there are things that you can't discuss with the men around. So like I'm just going to hang out with the ladies today to mark Mother's Day and be happy about it and stuff. And yeah, this is my OTD. Very color clash, by the way. But it's what I have currently. So it's called making things work, you know.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face at the back, like I'm taking a the slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man slide around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
So that was it. Gosh, it was my first time bowling, and let me tell you for a fact, these 3 fingers that are holding the camera are really burning. What do you think? How was it?
Oh, it was great.
It was great.
Very lovely experience.
Have you ever been there before? Have you
No,
done
this
it?
is my first time, but I did pretty well. You did great too.
Oh God, most of my balls are like going on this other side, if you understand. On to the eating part. Eating part anytime. But ooh, this lighting though.
We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day.
I'm home, guys. I'm so tired. I really enjoyed my moment with those girls, by the way, and the crowd around. So like I had a really nice conversation with them. I get to know each other like some more, like, you know, all that jazz. And now I'm home, and I didn't feel much because I felt like that time was it was really nice. You understand? Yeah. Now I need James to do one more thing. James, darling, James. come. The way he's walking, guys, he looks so done. Baby, I want you to end my vlog.
Привет всем.
Oh, привет всем.
Всем. Look. Hi everyone.
Oh, okay, yeah. Hi, everyone. Done?
So I hope you had a nice Mother's Day. Is it Mother's or Women's Day?
Women's Day.
And you had a nice time.
In other words,
it's time to retire.
In other words, you're like trying to appreciate the women, right?
Yes.
He appreciates you.
Slava.
Slava means
happy women.
Slava.
No, Slava is like glory to women. Slava Zhensky. I'm a Slava Ukraine. Glory Ukraine.
Glory Ukraine. You guys, I'm learning so much. Oh, here's more learning. Just like Slava Ukraina, Slava Zhensky.
So make sure you comment, like,
Share.
subscribe and share.
Comment, share, like, and subscribe.
Comment, like, share and subscribe.
Comment, share, like, and subscribe.
Comment, share, like, and subscribe.
Make sure you comment, share, like, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.